Hey, greetings from Texas. All right, this morning for breakfast, we're going to do a favorite of our 50th state, a dish called Loco Moco. Now, basically, it is white rice, hamburger patties, brown gravy, and topped with a fried egg. I'm going to show you my version. So we have some leftover Wagyu beef patties from yesterday. We had 2 patties. And that's what gave me the idea to make this dish today. For gravy, we're going to make our own gravy. Now you can use packaged gravy, canned gravy, gravy that comes in a jar. Just as long as it's a brown gravy, you could add onions, mushroom, whatever you want. So we're going to make it our own version of instant gravy. The basis of the dish is rice. I always use Japanese rice. Japanese rice is a short grain rice, or any Calrose type of rice. It's good for making sushi and other Japanese dishes. Okay, for our gravy, we're going to use Better Than Bouillon. That's a beef concentrate. You can use bouillon cubes, whatever you want. We have cornstarch, and to give it a Pacific Islander feel, we're going to add some soy sauce, some sesame oil, and some black pepper. A little perk up, we're going to use this garlic chili oil. It's got little fried garlic crunches in it. It's not spicy, but it does add a little bit of pizzazz to your dish. For garnish, we have green onion, and then we have 2 eggs. So first off, we need to cook the rice. So let's get that going. For our rice, we have 1 cup of rice. We're using a rice cooker. If you cook rice or you like to steam vegetables or steam meals, you got to get one of these. It's pretty much a no-brainer. So for every cup of rice, this type of rice, we use 1.5 cups of water. So first we have to rinse the rice, get all that excess starch off, and that just makes for a cleaner steaming experience. You won't have it all bubbling up. My mom was Japanese. She was kind of like any ethnic mom. They always have their little wives' tales. She said to wash and rinse the rice 7 times. We're just going to wash it till it kind of rinses clear. So we're just going to wash it in here with some cold water. Kind of agitate it. You can see that excess starch, and we're just going to pour that off. There you go. Our water was clear. Got all that excess starch out. Add 1.5 cups of water. Put the lid on the rice steamer and press it to cook, and it'll automatically shut off when it's finished. Okay, for the burger, you can use patties like I'm doing. Like I said, we had these left over, so I'm going to use them up. This is Wagyu beef. And you can cook it however you want. You can cook it in a pan, on a grill, on the Blackstone. I'm just going to broil these in the oven. Put down a little bit of cooking spray. We're going to season with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. For our gravy, we're going to use 1 cup of water, 8 ounces of water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and we're going to whisk that in while it's cold. That will help keep it from getting lumpy. We're going to add 1 tablespoon, heaping tablespoon of the Better Than Bouillon concentrate. We're going to do about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, about 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, and then some of this red chili garlic oil. Almost forgot, black pepper. All right, and we'll get this all combined. Okay, our broiler's ready. Let's just go ahead and stick our hamburger patties in here and keep an eye on it. Don't walk away. Okay, let's go ahead and get our brown gravy going. Okay, we have our gravy mixture in the pan. We're going to heat it up to a simmer. Keep an eye on it. If we need to add some more cornstarch, we can. We'll see how it turns out. We have the rice going. The beef patties are going. The gravy is started. We have the butter in our egg pan. I just put that on melt for now. We'll cook that last, since that won't take that long. Gravy is coming up to temperature. Let's go ahead and turn it down a little bit. And we'll let this go for a couple minutes. Just check the beef. Okay, beef's ready to flip. Okay, we're going to thicken up this gravy a little bit. I have some more cornstarch dissolved in water. Okay, our gravy is done. We're going to put it on the warmer. Okay, our hamburger patties are done. We're going to take those out and set them aside. Okay, it's time to cook our egg. It's best to break your egg on a flat surface. That minimizes getting shell in there and you don't pierce the yolk. Black pepper. A little bit of salt. I want a creamy yolk, but I don't want runny whites. So that'll just kind of carry over, cook till it's perfect. Okay, by the time you're done doing all that, your rice is going to be ready, and this automatically shuts off. So we're going to do our presentation here. Well, let's put on our hamburger patty. We're going to top that with gravy. All right, so let's top this off with the egg. And we'll hit it with some garnish.
There you go, Loco Moco.
Okay, here we go. It's really simple. Rice, hamburger patty, brown gravy, and a fried egg. I want to get a little bit of everything in this first bite. Here we go. That's good stuff there. This gravy turned out great. A little hint of the soy sauce and the sesame oil really comes through. Okay, folks. Real simple, easy to make. Again, you can cheat, use packaged round can gravy, adding the sesame oil and the soy sauce and that red chili oil really takes it up a notch. Okay, I'm going to finish this delicious breakfast. As usual, I appreciate you stopping by and taking time to watch. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Like, share, and subscribe, as all the YouTubers say.